And now we're going to take a rain break because we had an exciting downpour happen in the middle of shooting, which was actually quite fun. And this is Jeff of Org Media covering and saving his cameras. And we're back 20 minutes later. All right, we're going to come on up and move into pulling of the straps. So this would be on the long box on the reformer. And we're going to just put our band under our hips and then hold on to the band down by the sides, squeeze the legs and reach out and away and then down. 2. Reach out and away back. 3. Keep those elbows nice and straight for this one. 4. Let's do one more here. 5. Good. Now, we're going to flip the grip and go to a big T. Open them out. Side. And then head goes down. Side. Big T. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. 5. Good. Now you're going to flip your grip again, and we'll do some triceps. Bend the elbows back behind the midline. 1. Keep the head up. 2. For all 10. 3. Exhale. 4. 5. 6. Breath out. 7. Inhale. Exhale. 8. 9. And you've made it. Woo! All right, come up. Let's shift back into child's pose for a moment. That certainly feels good. Okay, we're going to go into doggy basque. So we're going to get our heavier band if you have one. Otherwise, just use the one that you've been using. And you're going to take the band around the ball of one foot. And then you're going to put the band in your hands and we'll go on to all fours. So it's going to be around the ball of one foot. And then you're going to put the band in each hand, one in each hand. And then go into neutral. Reach the leg behind you and then bend it in. 2. Nice. 3. And we're trying to stay in neutral the whole time the best we can. 4. Big exhale. 5. And 6. Big breath out. Shoulders are wide. Reach. Big exhale. Exhale. Good. And we're trying to stay in parallel now for this first set. Bring the band to the other foot. Stabilize those shoulders. Reach. And 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. And a 4. Breath out. 5. 6. Exhale. 7. Keep the upper middle back wide to the sky. Good. 2 more. Breathe out. And breathe out. Fabulous. All right, we're going to switch back over to the other side. And now we're going to do a little turnout here. So lift the leg and reach out, turned out. And you're going to try and keep your knee wide and open. 3. Again, upper middle back wide to the sky. 4. 5. Exhale. 6. Exhale. 7. And 8. 2 more, please. 9. And you've made it. Good. All right, bring that leg down. And you're going to, again, switch over to the other foot. Band at the ball of the foot. Lift the knee side with their shoulders nice and wide. And then shoot it out. 1. And again, you're trying to stay turned out. 2. And go into your turnout. 3. Doesn't have to be a big, huge turnout. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Fantastic. All right. You can shift back into a child's pose here. Get a nice stretch across your back and in your hips. And just breathe gently. And there's more for the tush. All right, we're going to go into the butt sky exercises. So we're going to take our band and we're actually going to tie the band around our ankles. So you're going to bring your legs all the way together and tie your band around the ankles. And then once you get it all tied, you're going to flip on over to your belly. Good. So flip to the belly. Your hands are going to be at your forehead, and we're going to have your legs about hips distance apart here. Shoulders are down, abs are up. Inhale, exhale, lift the legs. Again, 2, 3, 4. So you're keeping the legs hips distance apart right now. Big exhale as you lift, squeezing the glutes and hamstrings. Good. Exhale. And now we're going to do some circles. So up, out, and around. Up, apart, and down. Up, apart, and down. Up, apart, and down. Now out, up, together. Out, up, together. Exhale, inhale. Out, up, together. Out, up, together. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, and inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point, 2, 3, 4, and flex, 2, 3, 4. Point, 2, 3, 4, and flex, 2, 3, 4. Point, and flex, and point, and flex. Very nice. All right, shift back into child's pose again. Okie dokie. We are going to go into a swan rock, and we're going to use 2 bands if you have them. Otherwise, you can choose if you want to do the top part or the bottom part, or you can alternate. So you're going to take the band at your upper middle back, the lighter band if you have a lighter band, and keep the heavier band at your ankles. Separate the legs, point the toes, hands just to the outside of your mat, and reach up into your full swan. And then come back down. Now keep life in those legs as you do this. Energy out the toes, pressing into the band a little bit. And again, reach that head out and away, hollow the abs, life in the legs. And as you go up, keep the upper middle back wide into the band. Reach up and back down. Gorgeous. Reach up into full extension, and let's come back down. Okay, now we're going to get fancy. Reach out and up. Now, lift the right leg up as you rock forward, and then come back up. Left leg up as you rock forward. Just bend the elbows. Try to keep that shape. And left leg. And again, right leg lifts as you keep the shape. Left leg lifts as you keep the shape. Right leg lifts, and left leg lifts. Right leg lifts, and left leg lifts. And rest. Fantastic. Go back into your child's pose, breathing gently. All right, now we're going to move into swimming, and again, we're going to use the band at our ankles and at our hands. So bring the bands up into your hands, palms are going to face in. Lift everything up, one arm down, the other up, and change, change, change. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4. Reach and rest. Go back into your child's pose again. Fantastic. Upside Down Pilates Unlimited. Get Upside Down Pilates uninterrupted with no commercials or ads. For a limited time, we are offering a special early bird discount at less than 17 cents a day. And you can lock in your rate forever. We'll keep adding new lessons. At Upside Down Pilates Unlimited, you can watch all the full 1-hour episodes of Upside Down Pilates on all your devices. Roku, Apple TV, Android, select smart TVs, iOS, Amazon Fire Stick, the web, and more. Anywhere the Vimeo app is supported. The next best thing to taking lessons with me. Plus, this is a great way to help support the channel and help keep us making great content. Upside Down Pilates Unlimited, everywhere, anytime, commercial-free, affordable. Visit www.upsidedownpilates.com to sign up now.